Hello guys, Rob here. The most important partnership in the history of blockchain gaming. The Wax blockchain has recently been teasing an iconic global company is partnering with Wax. And this has sent Wax on quite the tear over the last couple days. Some of the clues I saw were a Mickey Mouse, a lightsaber, and a lot of the speculation in the Wax chat is that either Disney themselves or Topps is partnering and coming to Wax. Either of those two would be huge. They both have a huge collector fan base, and whoever the iconic global company partner is, it sounds like they want to bring their collectibles to the blockchain, the Wax blockchain. So I'm going to be watching this like a hawk, and we'll keep you guys updated on who the partner is. But I will also leave a link to this page in the description below. Right now you can sign up to be notified for a chance to win 10,000 Wax tokens. So it sounds like something big is going to be coming out of Wax. Will the announcement continue to have Wax rising? We will just have to wait and see. But anything to do with Mickey Mouse or Star Wars is probably going to be big. So that's it for this quick update, guys. Like I said, I will let you know and make an update video when the announcement is released. Who is coming to Wax? Who is partnering with Wax? And again, link to this page in the description below for your chance to win 10,000 Wax tokens. Are you on the Telos blockchain yet? Telos is an eosio blockchain with some of the most advanced governance features in blockchain. Telos brings third-generation governance to blockchain by extending governance features to dApps and DAOs. There has been some recent announcements with dApps coming to Telos, including one play coming over from EOS, and a cool video released by the Angry Warlord team with gameplay. Check out the link in the description to this page to get your free account by visiting here, and read up on Telos to learn, including the recently updated governance section, with an introduction to the third-generation governance features on Telos. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one.